Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, with the pound yen, I still think we are very clearly in a wave 3. We're not at the 100% Fibonacci extension level, which is right around the 210 area. I would expect it to at least bounce off the fib level before we actually start a wave 4 and make another push up for the wave 5. So because this is the monthly time frame, that probably is going to take a very long time to play out. Heading down to the weekly time frame, we do not have a Fibonacci bounce. We don't have a break of structure. No lower high. No reason to think the uptrend is over. Heading down to the daily time frame. Now on the daily, we definitely are at a fib level, as you can see, which is the Fibonacci extension of this move projected out the bottom of this. I kind of expect this to be a 1, 2, and wave 3. So if it is a wave 3, it may actually not be over. Or if it's actually going to end a wave 3, it's probably going to make a wave 4 and then go back up again for a wave 5. So personally, I am definitely still looking at any moves to the downside as possible corrections to the uptrend. Going down to the daily time frame, very overlapping, very sideways. Kind of does look like it needs to make a push down. And I noticed that it did make 1, 2, 3 waves down and 1, 2, 3 waves up. Often when you see 3 waves down and 3 waves up, that leads to 5 waves down, which is usually a 3-3-5 pattern, like a flat, like an expanding or a running flat. So it does kind of seem more likely that it is going to go down before it goes up. Maybe it's even actually a wave 4 and this is a wave 3 and it goes up later on for the wave 5. So let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, like I said, it does kind of seem pretty clear that it may go down, but we have to keep in mind that the trend is up on every single higher time frame. The trend is up on the monthly, the weekly, the daily, the 4 hour time frame. Now that tells us that even though we come up with a conclusion on the sort of time frames that it seems like it should go down in a pretty big way to make a 5-way pattern to the downside, which I definitely think is a pretty likely scenario, just because we think that's what's going to happen on the sort of time frames doesn't mean it's going to happen. It may very well just keep on trending up, which is why I personally am not sorting the yen pairs, because when every single higher time frame is in an uptrend, I am not going to go down to the 1 hour time frame and come up with reasons to go short, even though it definitely may end up going short. If it does go short, I'll just ignore the sorting opportunity and I'll just wait patiently for the long opportunity for the continuation of the uptrend. I definitely think that looking for longs is the better, safer option for the continuation of this huge wave 3 on the weekly and monthly time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my live daily Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.